Is your HP 840G5 screen looking a little tired? Or maybe the touch functionality has given up the ghost? Well, this N140EGN2 LCD screen assembly, with its integrated touch digitizer module, might just be the hero your laptop needs. It promises to bring a vibrant FHD 14-inch display back to life. And honestly, the thought of a crisp, responsive touchscreen on a business-class machine like the 840G5 is pretty appealing. Replacing a screen assembly can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but the goal here is to restore that pristine visual experience. This particular unit is designed specifically for the 840G5, which is a good sign for compatibility. The FHD resolution means you're getting a sharp 1920x1080 picture, which is a significant step up from lower resolutions and makes text incredibly readable and images pop. For anyone who spends hours staring at their screen for work or creative projects, this upgrade is more than just a fix. It's a genuine quality-of-life improvement. The touch digitizer is the real star of the show here, though. Having a fully functional touchscreen on a laptop like this opens up a whole new world of interaction. Imagine effortlessly scrolling through documents, sketching out ideas, or even just navigating your operating system with a simple tap or swipe. It can really speed up workflows and make the laptop feel more versatile, almost like a tablet when you need it to be. The responsiveness is key, and while we can't physically test it here, the expectation is for smooth, accurate input that doesn't leave you frustrated. The installation process itself, while not detailed in the product description, is generally straightforward for this type of component on the 840G5. It usually involves carefully removing the old bezel, disconnecting a few cables, and then reassembling. The quality of the display panel and the touch layer are what truly matter once it's all put back together. A good replacement should offer excellent color accuracy and brightness, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. The touch sensitivity should be consistent across the entire surface, with no dead spots or lag. It's about bringing that out-of-the-box experience back, or perhaps even improving upon it if the original screen had any shortcomings. Ultimately, this N140EGN2 assembly is a targeted solution for a specific laptop model. It's not just about replacing a broken part. It's about revitalizing the core, visual, and interactive experience of the HP 840G5. If your current screen is damaged or the touch is unreliable, this upgrade offers a compelling path to restoring and enhancing your laptop's functionality. The verdict is that for HP 840G5 owners looking to restore or upgrade their display and touch capabilities, this FHD 14-inch LCD screen assembly with touch digitizer is a highly promising solution that should bring a sharp and responsive experience back to their device.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.